In this tutorial, Sam will guide you through editing a clear sky photo in the Maldives. This is a set of anniversary photo shoots that Sam took for a couple. These are very beautiful places. I took pictures on the original, it was also beautiful. However, when I edit it up, if I adjust it properly, the colors are vibrant and it will enhance the scene more. Because of the camera, its dynamic range will not be equal to human's eye. So when I take a photo, it 001D cannot capture all the beauty from the outside. In fact, it looks much better from the outside. So I had to edit a photo to make it look more sparkling. So post-production is very important, it accounts for 50 to 70% of the image's charm. If I don't post-production, my picture will not be vivid and beautiful. First, I will also apply the 4-step process, which Sam shared with you. Each picture, Sam will begin to analyze this photo what he will edit. Then my 4-step process is that I start to adjust the person first. The person here I will lighten the skin. Sam took this photo without the light, so I think the skin is quite dark. So I will lighten the subject's skin. I will remove the trash and moss here. In the second step, I will adjust the color. I will adjust the water to be bluer, the sky bluer. Next, I will adjust this purple shirt to make it more vibrant. And the third step is to adjust the environment. This path is quite bright, it distracts from the subject. So Sam will darken this staircase down, so that the subject will bounce. And in this photo I took during the day, so I won't add effects. Then, before each photo, I will analyze 4 steps. And I follow 4 steps, so I won't be confused when processing the image. Many of you, when editing photos, don't know what to edit. Therefore, we will lost and not know the direction. Always apply Sam's 4-step process that will save you a lot of time and orient how your photos will edited. Before I edit I already visualize the result. Okay, first I will do the basic thing is to rebalance the horizon for the image. Next is skin lightening. Rebalance the white balance. This photo is a bit yellow, I will reduce the white balance a bit. Okay, now I will lighten the skin. Select white skin. Another way to lighten the skin is to reduce the shadow for the photo. Then it will turn this black thing on. I reduce the shadow, I see that the subject is brighter. Then after its subject is brighter it loses the contrast. Contrast I do not need to care at this step. After I was in the environment step, I adjusted the tints of the color components of the image. Then my picture will have the contrast again. Now Sam will delete the trash. I will choose spot healing. Scan these trash so I can delete it. Or zone, press L. Shift plus delete. Okay, I have completed step 1 of subject correction. Next is the color. Then Sam will make this watercolor greener, by choosing plus water. If I don't feel green enough, I continue plus water. Okay, if this is too green, I want to reduce the butter, then I can reduce the opacity a little bit. Depends on what you want. Next I will adjust this purple shirt, I choose plus color cast. And I choose plus purple. Similarly, I can reduce the opacity of the shirt. Then Sam prefers the purple shirt. With just 3 clicks, I have changed the color of the photo already. Before, after. Then after I adjust the color, I will see that this picture has turned on the contrast. Then the third step is to adjust the brightness of the photo. In this picture is in the Maldives, the sand is already white. I don't need to adjust the sand. Now I will adjust this staircase, the path. Here Sam chooses all brush. I chose the plus dark one. Then I will choose which one to click. And I sweep in the part one want it to darken. After I scanned it I found it darkened, the picture was more focused. Or I can choose burn to darken it. This dodge and burn part in the advanced section Sam will guide you more carefully. In this part, I will get acquainted with the FineArt image editing tool first. This picture I only do 3 steps and I do not have the effect. Because here is Sam taking a picture of the clear blue sky. I find that with just a few simple steps, I have a much more impressive photo. This is the original image and this is the image after I edited it.